So another thing that I wanted to do is address the false narrative that's being put out there by DHS and people like Marjorie Taylor Greene, who are saying that Ximena and Jose and their family, they've been here for 15 years and they didn't bother to do anything to try and adjust their status, to try and get a visa or work permit or anything else, and because of that, they might as well be deported now. So this is false because there was nothing that Jose and Ximena could have done before now to get any type of lawful status. They tried. They met with attorneys. They reviewed their case, their options, whether it be through Jose's business, through the fact that he has U.S. citizen children. There was nothing that they could do to come out of the shadows and become official members of this country that they love. It just wasn't a possibility. And to give you another example of how broken our immigration system is and how much we need change, only now that immigration is trying to deport Jose and Ximena can they apply for work authorization. There was no way for them to do that before. But now, as defense to deportation, they can actually take steps to becoming permanent residents and getting work permit in the United States. But that's just an example of how things need to change, why we need immigration reform, and why we need permanent protection for dreamers. So President Trump has said in his first administration and in the second administration that he has something that he wants to do for all these dreamers. Well, Ximena is a dreamer. She doesn't have DACA because there's some arbitrary dates that she missed as far as arriving in the United States, but she was brought here at the age of 4, and she's been a person that's contributed to the community since day one. She's been a person who's loved in the community, her and her whole family, because of how they act, how they treat other people, how selfless they are, and how all they want to do is better the community and their families and themselves.